Hello beautiful people, let's make this simple and easy curry sauce together. If you are new to my YouTube channel, a warm welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, I love you guys. To make my curry sauce, I'll be using some chicken, I have carrots, I have some bell peppers, I have my spices, I also have some blended onions and garlic paste, I have some scotch bonnet pepper, and some soy sauce. So the first thing first is for me to marinate my chicken. So I start by seasoning my chicken with some salt. I add my ginger, garlic and onion paste. Then I'll also add my curry powder and the rest of my seasoning. The full list of all the ingredients I use will be in the description box below. Please check. After adding all my seasoning, I'm just going to mix everything together so that the spices will be able to marinate together with the chicken. And in this video, I use chicken breast. After mixing everything together, I'm going to set it aside to marinate. So while I prep the rest of the ingredients, and you can also marinate your chicken overnight. So the next thing, I'll start by cutting my vegetables. So I'm starting with my carrots, and you can cut your vegetable into any shape of your choice. So I'm using this my vegetable cutter to cut my carrots, and if you don't have this, you can use anything that you have at hand to cut your vegetables. After cutting my carrots, this is what I have, and this is what my carrots look like. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut my bell pepper with the same process I cut my carrots. But first, before cutting your bell pepper, you need to remove all the seed inside your bell pepper before cutting it. After cutting my bell peppers, this is what I have, and I'm going to set it aside. The next thing I'll be cutting out is my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm adding this scotch bonnet pepper because I want it to be a little bit spicy, and if you don't want it spicy, you can actually skip it. It's actually optional. After cutting my bell peppers, this is what I have, so I'm going to set it aside. The next thing I want to prepare now is my thickener, and for the thickener I'll be using cornflour and water. Just mix your cornflour and water together, and that is the thickener we are going to use to thicken the sauce. Right now, I finished prepping all my ingredients. Into my pot on fire, I'm going to add some vegetable oil. After that, I'll add some onions. So the next thing I'll be adding now is my marinated chicken. So I'm going to allow this chicken to stir fry for some minutes. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel I share amazing recipe that you are definitely going to love. Once you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. So I'm just going to cover this and allow this to cook for some minutes, and then this is what I have after some minutes. So the next thing I'm going to add after stirring this together is some water, and this water is what we are going to use for our sauce. So after adding the water, the next thing I'm just going to season it. So I had some salt, my seasoning cube, and I also had more curry powder because we are actually making curry sauce. So I had my curry powder and my all-purpose seasoning. So I had a little bit of dark soy sauce. So I stir all that together. Then lastly, I had my scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to stir everything together, and I'm going to cover this and allow this to cook. As you can see, my curry sauce have been boiling. So the next thing I'm going to add now is my thickener. So after adding my thickener, I'm just going to stir everything together. Then I'm going to cover this and allow this to boil so it can thicken together. So over there, I'm just trying to boil some rice that I'm going to be having with my curry sauce. So right now my curry sauce is ready. Can you see? So the next thing I'll be adding now is my vegetable. So I'm just going to add all my vegetable, my carrots, my bell pepper, and as you can see, the color is looking so lovely. So I'm just going to stir that together and allow that to steam for a few minutes. You are not going to overcook your vegetable, just let it steam for a few minutes. Then I'm going to turn off the heat. And guys, my curry sauce is ready. Will you be trying this? You can have this with your rice, or even you can have it with your pasta. If you enjoyed this video, please leave some comments, and please don't forget to like and share this video. I paired this with my rice, and this is what we have. So this is super delicious. You need to give this a try. You are definitely going to love it. Guys, till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.